Alright guys, my name is Yasser Alayat and today I'm the presenting of this group. Let's start the first question from you.
Okay, my name is Federica. Can you explain about the definition of syntax?
In my opinion, in my understanding, syntax is the study of how we put words together, become phrase, clause, and sentence.
Can you give me examples
Uh,
of syntax?
Syntax. I'm sorry, I don't know the.
It's okay.
You.
My name is Firdaulina Fitri.
Yeah.
What do you know in the clause?
Clause. Clause is a group. In my understanding, clause is a group of words, but there is no subject and verb.
Okay, my name is Halafa Grabani. My question is, what do you know about phrases?
What?
Phrases.
Phrases. Phrase is phrase is phrase.
I change my question.
Yes.
What do you
Sorry.
know about word classes?
Word classes. Word classes is the category of words that include 9 parts of speech.
Yeah.
Have I tell one by one?
Yes.
First is noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjectives, preposition, conjunction, interjection, article. Do I miss something?
It's enough. Thank you.
So my name is Arga Vinugraha. What do you know about sentence?
Sentence is uh, combined with two or more clauses. Finish.
Can you give me an example sentence?
Sentence. Do you want independent sentence or dependent sentence? Do you want independent sentence or dependent sentence?
Dependent sentence.
Dependent sentence. Dependent sentence like because of rain. Because dependent sentence have to independent sentence after it. So dependent sentence will sound incomplete sentence. Do you guys have any questions? There's 2 minutes left.
Do you know the difference between independent and dependent sentence?
For independent sentence, it can stand alone. Just like, for example, uh, she is studying. It's independent sentence. Meanwhile, dependent sentence has independent sentence after it. After the dependent sentence have to independent sentence.
Can you move
Alright guys, my name is Yasser Al-Hayat and I am. Let's start the first question from you.
I am Galang and I want to ask you a question. So can you explain to me what a clause is?
In my understanding, clause is a group of words that there's no subject and verb in it.
Oh, that's phrase.
That's phrase, clause. So
What did you say to me?
a group of words that there is no
No, yeah, that's phrase.
that phrase. Clause. Aduh. Clause is. Aduh, it's so hard. Maybe you can change the question.
Can you give me just one type of phrase?
One type of phrase, noun phrase.
Okay. Can you explain it to me?
Noun phrase is a phrase that build around the noun.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Is it
Yeah.
finished?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Can you tell me 9 part of speech?
9 part of speech. Have I tell them one by one?
Just
Uh,
a name.
First is verb, a noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection, and article.
Yeah.
Is it
That's
okay?
enough.
Can you explain to me about clause?
Clause, maybe clause
Galang,
already
or can you tell me the type of phrase?
the types of phrase. Types of phrase, maybe it's noun phrase and is it correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Noun phrase is a phrase that build around the noun. Next one is adjective phrase. It's the phrase that describe a noun. Is it correct? Let's move to next one. Next one is adverbial phrase. It's the phrase that describe adjective, verb, and another verb. Adverb. Next one is preposition phrase. Is that yes? It's a phrase that start with preposition like in, on, at. For example, in the table.
Okay, what definition about simple sentence?
Simple sentence is a sentence that just have one clause. For example, I eat the rice. Is it correct? I eat the rice. I eat rice. It's simple sentence, right? Okay. Is it enough? Okay. Rice.
Can you explain me about dependent clause?
Dependent clause is clause that cannot stand alone. Have to independent clause after dependent clause. Do you want the example? Is it enough? You guys have another question?
Yeah. About Nilam's question, can you give me instead the question?
This question. For example, like because of rains, right? It's the dependence clause. It's not in. It sounds not complete, right?
No.
So we have put independent clause after the dependent clause.
So the sentence was because of the rain,
Then,
right?
I stayed at home.
Yeah.
It's
That clause, what type of clause is it?
yang Alright guys, my name is Yasser Alayat. Let's start. First question from you.
Okay, so my name is Salsabila Dinila, and I want to ask you about your opinion about syntax.
In my understanding, syntax is the study of how we put words together become phrase, clause, and sentence. Let's move to Uman.
Alright, so since there is a lot of time, so I can ask one.
Can you repeat this question?
No, that is not question. So first of all, my name is Garwan Aratam Abdulaziz. You can call me Man. Can you tell me about relative clause?
Relative clause. Relative clause is a clause that describe, in my understanding, it is
Right.
a clause that describe a noun.
Alright, can you give me an example? Good?
For example, I don't really understand about this material.
Alright, it's alright.
Yes. It's enough.
It's okay.
Maybe Reza.
So here's my question. Can you give me example from an active sentence and a passive sentence?
Active sentence. Oh, alright. Example, right?
Yeah, the example.
The active sentence. Reza eat noodle.
Yeah.
The passive is the noodle was eaten by Reza.
Okay.
Enough. That's from you. For you.
Okay, my name is Pernisa Saika, and can you explain to me about verb phrase?
Verb phrase. It's kind of hard for me. Verb phrase is a phrase that can be verb. Is it? I don't really understand about. Can you change the question?
Okay. Or example of nouns like sentence.
Nouns. Sentence.
I mean like, can you give me an example of nouns? But yeah, example of nouns.
One noun and make it in sentence.
Yes.
Maybe I take. I will take a cat. Cat is noun, right?
Yes.
In sentence, a cat eat my chicken.
Okay. Thank you.
That's the last questions.
Okay, my name is Nora Anabeka. So my question is, can you tell me what the difference between national definition and formal definition?
Formal definition is based on the rules. For example, in English, we put adjectives before nouns, right? I think formal definition is like the structure. So the function.
National definition. You can.
It's enough.
It is
Okay. Do you guys have another question?
How many minutes now? How many minutes now?
Maybe one.
Alright, maybe one. I'll give you one question. Alright. So can you tell me about verb and its example?
Verb,
Yeah, and its example.
just verb.
Verb and its example.
Example.
Right.
Verb is like eat. It's a verb, right?
What?
Eat.
Alright.
Eat. So the example is like sentence or what? What?
What? I asked you about verb. What is verb, man?
Verb. Verb is the definition.
Right.
The definition. Verb is like an action.
Alright, action. Alright. So the example is it.
Or like eat.
Alright.
Eat.
Well, do you have any other example?
Or eat. Run.
Alright.
Walk.
Well, alright.
Sleep. It's also verb.
Right.
Play, drive, swim,
Swim.
sit also a verb, speak also a verb. It's enough.
Yeah, it's enough.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you have other questions?
What?
Alright guys, my name is Yasser Al-Hayat. Let's start the first question from you.
Okay, I will ask a question. Can you explain to me the type of clauses?
Type of clause. In my understanding, there's first is noun clause. Noun clause, right? Noun clause. It is the group of words without. Why are you so confused? Can you change the question?
Repeat the question.
Change.
Okay. Can you explain to me what is compound sentence?
Compound sentence. Compound sentence is a sentence that have one or more clauses.
Can you repeat again?
Compound sentence is a sentence that have one or more two or more sentences. Clauses. Is it enough?
What is syntax?
In my understanding, syntax is the study that how we put words together become a clause, a phrase, and sentence. Is it enough?
Can you explain to me what the simple sentence is? And can you please give me the question and the example?
Simple sentence.
Yes,
Simple sentence is a sentence just have one clause. For example, she eats noodle. Is it enough?
Explain to me the definition of word.
Word is the smallest part of language that if we put them together, it can be clause, a phrase, and sentences. You guys have any questions? Do you guys have any questions? Maybe 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Okay. I would ask a question. Can you explain to me what is action and passive sentence?
Action and passive sentence. The action is
Active and passive sentence. Sorry.
active and passive sentence. I don't know the definition, but I know the example. For example, is I drive a red car. I drive a red car. It's an active sentence. I drive a red car. The passive sentence, like the red car is driven by me. By me. Okay. Do you guys have any questions?
Can you explain to me what independent and dependent clause?
Independent and dependent clause. Independent clause is the clause that can stand alone. For example, I eat noodle. While dependent clause have something else or have